Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover stolen funds from Gemini. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover stolen funds from Gemini, start by gathering all relevant information regarding the theft. Document the date and time when the funds were stolen. Take screenshots of any suspicious activity in your account. Collect details about the transactions that occurred, including amounts and recipient addresses. Navigate to the Gemini website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, access the support section. Select the option for reporting account issues or fraudulent activity. Fill out the form provided with all the information you gathered. Be clear and concise in describing what happened. Submit any evidence you have, such as transaction screenshots. After submission, monitor your email for a response from the Gemini support team. Check your spam or junk folder to ensure you don't miss any communications. If you do not receive a timely response, consider reaching out via their customer service phone number. Follow up on your report if necessary, providing any additional information they request. Maintain records of all communications you have with Gemini support. If the issue remains unresolved, consider filing a complaint with relevant financial authorities. Document your experience in case further action is needed in the future. Stay vigilant for any further suspicious activity in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.